Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how you can convert a binary image and what is the binary image. Okay, so binary image is the simplest type of image which has only two values, like either pixels intensity is 0 or 1. Okay, so it's 1 for the white and 0 for black. Okay, so it's basically on a thresholding process. So let me show you one of the basic example of binary image. So this is 3 cross 3 pixel image. Okay, so for example it's 3 cross 3 image. Its pixel intensity is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so let's say I set a threshold. What threshold means? uh, Threshold means like it pass the value higher than the threshold and it convert into the white pixel. Let me clear one thing, like threshold, if when a pixel is above threshold value, then it turns into the white, or which are below the threshold value, then they are turned into the black. Okay, so for example I set threshold 5 here. Okay, so 1 is below threshold, so it's converted into the 0. Okay, let me set this pencil. Okay, so 0 2 0 0 5 0. Okay, so 5 is equal to the threshold. You can set the adjust on that kind, but we consider that 5 and above are converted into the white. Okay, so for 5 it's equal to threshold, then it converted into the white pixel. 6 converted into the white pixel. 7 converted into the white pixel. 8 white. 9 white. So basically all 0 are into the black and 1 are for 5. So this image is converted into this image. If you are not clear with this idea, please mention it on the comment section, and if you are clear there, go ahead. Okay, so let's see the code of that. Okay, so this is a code for binary image. Let me go through this code. So this is image processing library CV2. Okay, so import numpy is for mathematical operations, matplotlib for uploading the images. Okay, so first of all, read this image. We use the Lena model image for standard image processing operations, so we use that lena.png. Read cv2.threshold. So what it cv2.threshold is a API that set a threshold and convert our binary gray images to the binary images. Okay, so binary converting, the process of converting the grayscale images to binary is nothing but set a thresholding, so it's considered in threshold, basic thresholding. Okay, so we write this API from start from here. cv2.threshold image is to read the basic image like this variable, and it's lena.png. Okay, so read this image, set a threshold. Like in a previous example, we set a threshold 5, and in the Lena image it's a threshold 127. Okay, so above the 127 image, it will convert image maximum. Okay, so 128 129 intensity of pixels converted into the 255. So let this clear, guys. First, this syntax is first read the image, set a threshold. 255 is a maximum value that if this pixels intensity rise from this number, this threshold, then pixels converted into this intensity. Okay, cv2.thresh binary is the classification of threshold. Okay, so from this code we get two outputs. The first one is the red is basically a threshold value, and thresh one is our binary image. Okay, so this image is also same, but it convert all this binary image into the another one. So it's basically the invert of binary image which we getting here. Don't worry, don't confuse here. You get the idea when you see the output. Okay, so these are the titles of image, and these are the images which we want to present. Just make a for loop in a range 3. This range 3 subplot this images, titles are I. Okay, so this is I here, and plot xtext. Okay, plt.show and print image. Print image is a look guys, we cannot print the image, but in a Python or any image processing in a computer language, you can print the image, because the image is a nothing but it's a numpy array. Okay, so you can print this array. After the in output section we go through it. Okay, so we are good to go now. Let's run the code. Just click on the run F5. Okay, and say go. Okay, so let me minimize this. Okay, oops. So this is all our 3 output. Let me zoom it first. Okay, so this is our original image. We converted, we did it into the grayscale image here. Okay, oops. And this is our binary image, and this is invert of binary. Okay, so let's just focus on this portion image first. It's a binary image. So as I told you, the binary image has only pixel and 0 and 1. So just concentrate guys in this area. Okay, whenever I move this cursor, look, you find the 0 at the here corner. Okay, 0 here, 0 for black, and 255 for white. Whenever my cursor is moving in a white area, it's converted into the 255. Okay, so let me clear one more thing on that. Let's just cross check the thresholding. Whenever my move cursor like this, it's a 211, it's a maximum, then our threshold 127, and that's why converted into the 255. When I'm moving cursor here, it's a 106, it's lower than our threshold, and that's why it's converted into the black. I hope you are getting the idea about the original image and binary image. So after getting the idea and clear discussion about the original and binary image, let's just focus on a binary invert. So there is nothing rocket science behind this image. So this is just an invert of this image. Okay, so whatever the pixels are in this area is a white, it's converted into black, and black into the white. Okay, so as you can see here, it's here 0 and it's 255 here. Okay, so those are all the binary types. That's it for the tutorial guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, please mention it on the comment section. Thank you.